Hi guys, welcome back to Apple JR YouTube channel. On this video, I will show you easy method to install EIGN, Scarlet or Feather with shortcut iOS. You can add this shortcut to your iPhone and iPad. I will insert the link on description. After that, click Add Shortcut, everything sideloading. After the shortcut has been added, then run the shortcut. Then you will see a display like this. With this shortcut, you can install EIGN, Scarlet or Feather app without getting revoked. Before installing, you have to install the DNS Profile anti-revoke first. Select anti-revoke that suits your device, or you can choose anti-revoke DNS from the top. Select the DNS, then download and install it on your device. Once the profile is downloaded, just head over to the Settings app and navigate to VPN and Device Management, and just install the DNS Profile as shown on the video. After DNS is installed, then go to About, scroll down, and click Certificate Trust Settings, then enable Root CA. Then the DNS installation step is complete. Then go back to Everything Sideloading shortcut and run the shortcut. Go to the Installer section. Here you can choose what IPA installer you want, such as EIGN, Scarlet, or Feather. For example, I will try installing EIGN first. Please choose what EIGN certificate you want. After that, click Install and wait for the installation process to complete. If you see Untrusted Developer, it means the EIGN is working on your device. Or you can also install Scarlet at the same time to make sure this trick works or not. Select the Scarlet you want, then click Install Scarlet. Then Scarlet will automatically be installed on your device. To verify Scarlet or EIGN, you can go to Settings General, VPN and Device Management. Then click Trust for EIGN or Scarlet. After that, you need a certificate to install IPA on Scarlet and EIGN. Run the shortcut again, then go to the Certificate section. Then select the same certificate as the certificate you're using. You can see the certificate in Settings General, VPN and Device Management. Then download the certificate name with this shortcut and save it to the Files app on your device. Don't forget to verify the EIGN and Scarlet that you installed earlier in the Settings, VPN and Device Management sections. If you are using iOS 18 or above, you will be asked to restart your device to verify EIGN or Scarlet. After restarting, you will freely use Scarlet or EIGN without limits and without revoke. The final step, you have to import the certificate that you downloaded earlier into EIGN or Scarlet. To import the certificate, open the EIGN app. Then click on the three dots in EIGN. Then click Import. Then select the certificate that you saved earlier in the Files app. After that, select the certificate, then click Unzip on the EIGN certificate. Then check the README note to see the certificate password. After that, click Certificate 12 and enter the certificate password. And now, you can install the IPA files you want without limits. For Scarlet, the method for importing the certificate is different from EIGN. Open the Scarlet app. Then click and hold the button above. Then click Manage Certs. Then click Import and select the certificate file that you downloaded earlier. Select the P12 certificate and mobile provision in the certificate folder. Then enter the certificate password. After that, you will see the certificate info become signed. This means you are ready and can install any IPA files with Scarlet without revoke. You can import the IPA files manually in Scarlet, or you can install them from the library available in Scarlet. But for EIGN, you can only import the IPA files manually. Okay, thanks for watching this video. If you need help, leave your comment below or join to our Telegram channel to get more help. See you on the next tutorial.